911, what is the address of your emergency?
Running Creek. I just want to give you guys an anonymous tip that there's a Ryan Mayhood that has an outstanding warrant at the casino right now. Thank you. Have a good night.
Get him! Was that worth it, dog? Huh?
Get your hand behind your back. Get your other hand behind your back. Get your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back, Ryan.
That was stupid.
Got him?
Yep.
You alright? We went into the machine.
Weapons on you?
Is the machine okay?
It looks like it should be. I was in my office, I heard it, man. I'm like, what the hell?
Needles, Ryan.
You have any uncapped needles?
You guys all right?
I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah.
You're not sure if you have uncapped needles?
You were able to get the surveillance from this, just
For sure, yeah.
for documentation?
Yeah, we'll talk to the security supervisor and we'll get in contact with them and yeah, they'll get everything.
I'm gonna have medical start.
Good thing the chair was here.
Yeah, I would have crushed that thing. Hey, can you have medical start code too? We got into a little. Yeah, we smashed them into. We tackled them into a slot machine. Thank you. Yeah, we're co-formatting. All right, see you. You good, bro? You got stabbed? You want to stand up?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you up, all right?
Oh, not that arm, not that arm.
Not that arm? This arm?
Yeah.
All right, want to roll forward?
I'm gonna put your money in your back pocket.
No more running, right?
Oh, dude, no.
All right, cool.
God, that hurt. Oh.
Why did you run?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know either.
Guys in green.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on, yeah, just hold it tight to take a picture of it.
Fuck yeah.
Actually, I need to get a picture of that too, just in case we damage their property. You guys want to take a step back?
Step over here. Okay, nothing in your underwear? Besides the pipe, do you have any more on it? You don't think so?
I don't know, Fuck my thumb hurts for that.
Can you confirm the warrant?
Come on, sit down.
Huh?
Come on, sit down. Oh my God, dude.
I'm gonna have an ambulance come check you out, alright?
Good to go.
If we'll take a report and document that, so if there is damage or anything like that, either the sheriff's office or him, since technically he ran and caused it.
Did you splash right into him or what?
Yeah, I kind of tackled him into it.
Did you? Yeah, that doesn't. Yeah, I don't think that'd be very fun to get tackled by you.
Typically not. Hello?
Honestly, not that fast.
Did you see about getting the surveillance tape? I talked to you just for that, just to document, just the casino. If your guys' shit is damaged, we want to make sure that is covered. Sorry about that, sir. We'll be back in just a
That won't
sec.
be available until possibly tomorrow, though.
That was so awesome.
Okay.
We can go ahead and get the request.
Is there a way I could just view it now and try to get it with this, just so we have something on file?
I don't think I'm going to be able to do that.
Okay, if they can, just so my sergeant has a...
Yeah, I can go ahead and give them a jingle and ask them, but I don't think they're going to be able to